You're standing near a riverbank, maybe washing your hands or fishing, when suddenly the water explodes. Out of nowhere, a crocodile launches at you faster than you can react. In that split second, your survival depends on what you do next. Before we dive into fighting back, let's be clear. The best survival strategy is prevention. Crocodiles are masters of camouflage, waiting motionless for hours. Most attacks happen when people linger too close to the shoreline or wade into murky water. Avoid swimming, fishing, or even standing at the edge in croc territory. Stay at least 15 feet back from the water, and never assume it looks safe means it actually is. But let's say the worst happens. Crocodiles strike with up to 3,700 pounds of jaw pressure. That's more powerful than a great white shark's bite, and more than double the strength of a lion. Once those jaws snap shut, prying them open isn't an option. So here's what actually works. Target the weak spot.